Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be answering your questions for the Q&A for the 1K subscriber special. And about my voice, I guess some of you who are originally from my gaming channel should have heard it in the first place, but to the new viewers here, this is basically my voice. So without further ado, let's begin. The first question of the day, what is your favorite Rolls-Royce engine? Good question. My favorite Rolls-Royce engine is basically the Trent XWB. Here are the reasons why. The Rolls-Royce Trent XWB is considered an excellent engine due to its exceptional fuel efficiency, high reliability, advanced materials, and state-of-the-art technology. As the exclusive power plant for the Airbus A350, its capabilities enable long-haul flights with lower operating costs and reduced environmental impact. Not gonna lie, but I do love the other Rolls-Royce engines, but I love the Trent XWB more. Alright, next question. I'm 14 this year, and by the hearing of my voice, I think you should know what gender am I. Moving on. What is your favorite plane? Well, my favorite planes so far are the Airbus A350-1000 and the Boeing 777-9X. What's the most underrated plane? By doing a search on Google, this is what AI said. While underrated is subjective, the Boeing 757, especially the 757-300 variant and the Boeing 717 are frequently cited as underrated passenger planes due to their excellent performance, comfort, or cost effectiveness relative to their capabilities. But they often went unappreciated or were overshadowed by their contemporaries. The 757 was a versatile, powerful jet for its time, while the 717 was praised as a great regional aircraft that was ahead of its time. Hope it answers your question, and moving on. Do you like the 747 or A380? Although I'm an Airbus fan, I like both planes more. The Boeing 747, an iconic 1960s design with a partial upper deck, is a smaller, more versatile, and fuel-efficient quad jet known for its iconic status and cargo capability. The Airbus A380, a newer, larger, and fully double-deck design, offers superior passenger capacity and cabin comfort due to its quieter, pressurized environment, but is less versatile and more expensive to operate. The trend has shifted away from four-engine giants towards more efficient twin jets, making both the A380 and the latest 747s less dominant in future air travel. And that's basically all the questions y'all have given me. Thanks for watching. Please kindly hit the like, share, and subscribe button to this channel to show me support that you've enjoyed my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.